Today on the J-Ray channel, we're going to be back in J-Ray's kitchen to make spicy chicken and veggie stir fry by the Green Chef. Let's get started.
Here's our ingredients and everything that we need to prepare this meal. And here's the step-by-step instructions on how we're going to make it. You can pause and rewind at any time if you need to read over the instructions again. Now let's get started.
And now time for the epic bag dump. Drum roll. So we've got broccoli. I'll have to chop that up. Orange bell pepper. I have to chop that up. Already got pre-chopped cabbage. Terrific. Chili ginger spice. Spicy ginger lime aioli. Sounds good. And cashew pieces. We've got an allergy in the house though, so we're not going to be needing that. Now it's time to chop. So for the first step, we're going to need our broccoli. Now we're going to cut these pieces of broccoli up into small bite-sized pieces. Just like that. Now we need our bell pepper. Now it says to cut the bell pepper up into lengthwise strips. But you know how we gonna do it. Chop! Awesome. Got to say, I'm really loving this new 8-inch chef knife from Potting. Look in the description below for a link to the Amazon website if you want to order one of these for yourself today. I personally vouch for it. It's chop worthy. Alright, move that on over and roughly chop cabbage. Done. And since plastic probably ain't going to taste good in this recipe, we'll just get rid of the plastic and we'll give it a little extra chop. Now we need our chicken. Now it says to pat our chicken cutlets dry with a paper towel. Gently now. Season with salt. And about half of the chili ginger spice rub. Now we're going to need a saute pan. Turn that pan up on medium-high heat and add about 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once that oil is heated up good in that pan, add your chicken. And you're going to let that cook for about 4 to 6 minutes on each side. And flip. And if you just splashed hot grease on your skin, go treat your burn. Alright, now we're going to transfer that to a cutting board. Now it says to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to another pan and then add your broccoli and bell pepper. But we're going to use the same pan because we got all that flavor. Now let's add this broccoli and bell pepper. Season with the remaining chili, ginger, and spice rub. And about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it's tender. I'm going to add a little bit more oil to that too. Stir it around, make sure you get the oil coated all over the broccoli and the bell pepper. See those bits of flavor right there? That's chicken and seasoning stuck to the bottom of the pan. Normally it would just go to waste, but not today. After about 3 or 4 minutes of cooking that, add your cabbage. Stir it all in. And we're going to cook this for 3 or 4 minutes until everything's nice and tender. You can also add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, but not too much. It should be good. And after about 3 or 4 minutes, set that to the side. Alright, back to our chopping block. Add our chicken to the chopping block. See all those juices that come out of that chicken? I'm going to pour that on the veggies. And now we're going to cut this chicken into about 5 to 7 little pieces each. And you know how we gonna do. Chop! Terrific. Alright, divide your veggies between 2 plates or bowls, however you want to do it. And I'm really hungry. Then we're going to add the chicken to the top. Just like that. Now we need to make it look presentable. Just like so. Yep. And last but not least, we need our spicy ginger lime aioli. Drizzle that all over the top of that. Oop, got a chunk. Remember to also look for a link for the Green Chef website in the description below. I'm going to go tear this up. Y'all have a good evening. See you next time in J-Ray's Kitchen. And we're going to chop that broccoli up into small bite-sized pieces. Terrific. Close that door. Hey, you need shoes?
I can tell y'all from making these videos, the struggle is real. Like and subscribe. Catch you next time.